Hi, I'm glad to hear that you guys are interested in taking elementary statistics. I wanted to give you first an introduction. I'm Tracy Welch. I'm the instructor for stats and also for college algebra and several other math classes at North Central Missouri College. Um, just wanted to give you just kind of a preliminary idea of what statistics is about. First of all, most of you guys have heard that we're now a data-driven world and that we have all this information, all this data that's being given to us. Statistics is that process of gathering all that data, but then also how to make sense out of it, how to take that information that we have and to organize it and to display it and how to interpret it and summarize it. And all these pieces go together to see what's going on with statistics. And then once we have a sample, how to do the inferential statistics, which is to take that information and to apply it to something larger than just that sample, trying to understand what's happening about the entire population. Statistics is one of those things that it really doesn't matter what career you're going into, you're going to see statistics, whether it's on the job, whether it's doing things with politics, trying to listen to the news reports, trying to listen to what they're talking about that's happening in the world. And they have done a study that says this. Well, does it make sense? Does it look like they did the study accurately? So many questions. Honestly, a lot of times I come out having more questions than I do answers from some of the different studies I look at. So it's really one of those courses that applies to almost everybody. Now, I say that, and then I'm going to turn around and say, but before you take the class, make sure it's the right math for you. That it depends on what your future career is going to be and what 4-year degree you're planning on getting, what the right math class is for you. Because the Missouri has gone through and done this math pathways project that I've been a part of, where we're giving you more than just one option to be able to take for the right math class. And it depends on what's the right math for your degree. For some students, it's going to be statistics. For some students, it's going to be college algebra. For some students, it's both stats and college algebra. Other students are going to do the contemporary math. So check to see what's the right math for the future degree that you're going to look for. And if statistics is it, I look forward to working with you. Some things about my specific course. I have my course on our course class in Brightspace. I have some videos from some of my previous classes that I've got lecture videos from an on-ground class. I want you to watch those. It gives you a good piece of information about what I find important and what I want to make sure that you understand. Sometimes I tell you this is the type of thing that's going to be on the test. So watch those lecture videos. I also highly encourage that you read the textbook, but we also do our homework with an online software. And if you have questions and you don't understand with watching the videos that I provide, then they also have some links to some videos to be able to talk about the different topics that we're going to be using throughout the semester. So you've got multiple options. Also, if you run into questions, we have the discussion board as another way to communicate. Since we won't have the in-class discussions, then the discussion board kind of takes that place where I want you to post questions that you have, and then I want you to help each other. That way you're learning, you learn more as you're trying to explain it to somebody else, but also it's giving you that place of, okay, I'm frustrated. How is it that I'm supposed to do this? What's going wrong with this problem? And we get to talk about the different things that are involved with it. And I chime in quite frequently on the discussion board. So just some of the things that we use in our class, and I hope I get to work with you. And even if I don't, have a great semester.